of Donovan, Tate, and Bullocks.
We're unable to take your call at the moment.
But your business is important to us, so please leave us a message and we'll get right back.
Great. Let's see how that sounds. It's the worst part. I hate hearing a recording of my own voice.
Oh, I know.
Gosh, you
Me
guys,
too.
I bet you sound amazing, okay? This is gonna get us so much business.
Thank you for calling the office of Donovan, Tate, and Bullocks.
We're unable to take your call at the moment.
But your business is important, so please. If you don't, we'll get back to you.
Is that my voice?
So do you guys want to finish up back in the conference?
Yeah, let's do it.
Whoa, no, let's re-record that.
You don't like the sound of your own voice?
No.
Thank you for calling the office of Donovan, Tate, and Bullocks.
We're unable to take your call at the moment.
But your business is important to us, so please leave us a message and we'll get right back.
But your business is important to us because I'm an idiot. And I eat poop. Oh, also, my hair is so stupid. Ugh.
Alright, I think we're good.
I didn't say those words.
Sorry, honey. That's what you sound like.
No one likes the way they sound.
Oh my gosh, why aren't we like reacting a little more? I'm just gonna re-record it myself. But your business is important to us, so please leave us a message and we'll get right back.
But your business is important, so please.
Alright, so let's head to the conference room. If we're ready to unpack it.
I don't think we are, okay? But your business is important to us, so please leave us a message and we'll get right back.
I'm not a smart man. I know what love is.
That sounds good. Let's go.
That sounded like a line from Forrest Gump to me.
Don't overreact so much. We all hate the sound of our own voices. Here, you know what? I'll record mine again, okay? We're unable to take your call at the moment.
We're unable to take your call, baby.
See, it's not just you.
That was a professional actor's voice.
That was Tate. Okay? Why don't you relax? Splash some water in your face, get some air. You're freaking out right now.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Ah!
What is this?
What, first time looking in a mirror?
No one likes how they look in a mirror, buddy, okay?
Okay, what is happening right now? What is going on? I don't understand this. Is this me? Is this me? No! No, God!
Well, it looks like our plan to get him to non-confrontationally quit the business so we can add Frank as our partner finally works.
Like aces.
Frank wrapped at your service.
To the conference room.
Conference room!